As I have connected my Bluetooth module with my phone, so now the data displaying on the laptop serial monitor is now visible on phone also. As the data reads the value below 5, then the LED will glow and the buzzer will be high. So now I'm going to connect it. Now see the data is available, and as the value will be 5 or below 5, then the LED will glow. See. Now I will connect my Bluetooth module with the application available in Play Store. As my Bluetooth SC 0.5, it is connecting now. So now I will say red, green, blue, white. It get off, and when I call Shivam, and I will blink many colors, and on white it get disappeared. So it's the working of Bluetooth module supporting RGB LEDs. It is also used for home automation. You can use it with any LEDs and some sort of resistance. Once again, red, blue, green, now off, white. See, it's working.